Maya was a small human child with very big feelings. Some days, her steps felt heavy and the world seemed too wide for her hopes. She lived near a quiet hill where grass bent gently in the wind, and when her heart felt tired, she climbed there to think. One morning, as the sun painted the sky with gold, Maya noticed a small turtle near the path. Its shell was scratched and its legs moved slowly, yet it kept going. The turtle did not rush and it did not stop. It simply moved forward, steady and patient. Maya sat nearby and watched. She realized that the turtle was not trying to be fast or impressive. It was only trying to reach the next patch of shade, trusting that each small step mattered. The sight made Maya feel calm. She understood that growing strong did not mean never feeling tired. It meant continuing even when tiredness came. That day, Maya carried that thought with her. When chores felt hard, she remembered the turtle's steady movement. When learning something new felt confusing, she reminded herself that small efforts still counted. Each day, she tried again. Not perfectly, but honestly. Over time, Maya noticed a quiet change. Her confidence grew like a soft light inside her chest. She learned that courage was not loud, and that strength could be gentle. The turtle still wandered near the hill, and whenever Maya saw it, she smiled. Maya discovered that hope does not arrive all at once. It grows slowly, step by step, carried by anyone brave enough to keep moving forward.
Hey there! If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay updated on the latest videos, and thanks for watching.